Hi, this is an overview of Chapter 12, Recipes 2 and 3. It's a simple ASP.NET Core web application, a basic one, an empty project. You will see a program startup, and it has just a program. And then inside, if you look at the startup CS, you will see if you just output a value from the calculator class. So it was referenced here. This calculator class was downloaded from the NuGet package we built from your previous chapter on dependencies. NuGet, you will see it's under here, as well as you can just go to dependencies, manage NuGet packages, and installed. This is our library installed from this location, and you can execute it. It will just display a hello world, a simple text message on the browser. You will see it says okay, answer for 10 plus 15 is 60, and if you close it, just close. As well as if you just hit publish, you will see we have just deployed into Azure. We'll just click just publish it. If you see the URL, you will see it says Azure website.net. That means we have deployed inside the Azure.